Hello students, welcome again in new session of our online classes. As I am teaching you about how to use verb correctively. Now we are continuing our same chapter, correct form of the verb, and the rest rule will be given to you. Be careful, be attentive, look at the blackboard. In our previous lecture, I have told you how to use correct form of the verb in the category of present tense. But here we are studying about past tense. When we have some specific word like this, ago, yesterday, last plus time, like last night, the previous plus time, in past. If we have word like this in our sentence, just mind it that these words are indicating towards past indefinite tense. And in condition of past indefinite tense, what type of verb will be used? Just see. If we are making affirmative sentence, no need to apply any helping verb and use second form of the verb in place of any helping verb. Verb second form will be applied along with all the subjects. It doesn't matter the subject is singular or plural. You will have to apply second form of the verb with all subjects. For example, like this: last night I blank see a thief. It doesn't matter what is the subject. It is singular or plural. Don't mind it. You will have to apply only second form of the verb. Means the sentence can be like this, but the form will be the same. Last night he blank see a thief. In both the condition of singularity and plurality of the subject, you will have to apply the same form of the verb, and that is second form saw. Saw. So in affirmative condition, you will have to apply second form of the verb, and in negative and interrogative, you will have to apply helping verb did plus verb first form. In presence of did, you will have to apply first form, and in absence of did, you will have to apply second form. It is clear? Now see the exercise. You blank play cricket last night second, she blank not wash clothes yesterday. Blank he blank asked her a question some time ago. When blank she blank attend the class last month. Now in all the condition you will have to mind the sentence if it is affirmative, negative, interrogative. If the sentence is affirmative, you will have to apply second form, and if it is negative or interrogative, you will have to apply did along with the first form of the verb. Now in first sentence, the sentence is affirmative, so you will have to write here played in place of play. And in second sentence, the sentence contains not. That's why it belongs in the category of negative. And you will have to apply did not wash. In third one and fourth one, the sentence belongs in the category of interrogative sentence. So write did in first blank and first form of the verb in second blank. Did he ask her a question some time ago? And in fourth one, when did she attend the class last month? Clear? Okay. Now second condition. If we have a word like this, then at that time at that moment those days. If you have any of the word from them in your sentence, then mind it, the words are indicating towards past continuous tense. And what will you have to apply there? Just mind here. You will have to apply was. If you have subject like he, she, it, name, and any other subject belongs in the category of singular. Was plus verb plus ing. Now were plus verb plus ing. If you have subject like I, we, they, you, and plural. Because I also has was, so it will be here. He, she, it, name, and I. You will have to apply was along with verb plus ing, and in category of plural subject like we, they, you, and plural. You will have to apply verb plus ing. Now see the exercise. She blank do her work, then you blank not sing song at that time. मदर सॉरी ब्लैंक लेते हैं आगे, ब्लैंक फिर मदर ब्लैंक कुक फूड एट दैट मोमेंट लास्ट वन where blank they blank live those days. Now see, she belongs in the category of singular subjects, so apply was along with verb and ing. She was doing her work there. You belong in the category of plural, so you will have to apply verb along with verb and ing. Were not singing. In the same way, mother belongs in the category of singular. Apply was here, verb plus ing here. Was mother cooking food at that time? And in last sentence, they also belong in plural category, so apply were they living. Where were they living those days? Clear? Now the next. Mention all the exercise in your copy and fill in the blank part. Click the photo and send it to me. Now past. Perfect tense. If you have word like this, before and after, you will find these words in the middle of the sentence. Where will you find them? In the middle of the sentence. Means they are serving as a connector, sentence connector, conjunction. They are known as adverb clause of time. They are known as subordinative conjunction. So if there are the word like before and after between the sentence, what will you do? Suppose there is before. If you have before in between two sentences, this is first sentence and this is second sentence. But before is the connector, linking word to which was linking first and second sentence. So in such condition, if before is there, you will have to apply had, verb first form, third form, had plus third form in the first sentence and verb second form in the second sentence. If there is negative not, you will have to apply did not. Verb first form. For example, see here. the thief blank run away before the police blank come. Now see, there is before. Before is a linking word. It is a connector between two tense, between two sentences. So in condition of before, you will have to apply head and verb third form in first sentence, and in second sentence you will have to apply second form of the verb. So what will be here? Had run away. And here second form of the come came. So sentence will be like that: the thief had run away before the police came. And after, if there is after between two sentences, what will you do? The condition will be just opposite. Means you will have to apply verb second form in first sentence. In condition of negation, you will have to apply did not verb first form, and in second sentence you will have to apply had plus verb third. Is it clear? Now the sentence, look at the sentence. She blank cook food after the guest blank arrived. Now look, there is after is linking word between two sentences. So what will you do? You will have to apply verb second form in first sentence and had plus verb third form in second sentence. So the sentence will be like that: she cooked food after the guest had arrived. Is it clear? Okay. Now the last one. If we have sentence, if we have word like this, since for plus time, we have also read about it in our present perfect continuous tense. But the same will be in past perfect continuous, but you will have some hint there, so that you can identify which tense, present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous, you have to use there. Okay, now see, you will find that there is a word there, and before that you will find a sentence having verb second form. Verb second form before that means like this: Ram said that I blank read book since morning. That वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म. तो that एक कनेक्टर है, उसके आगे एक वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म वाला वाक्य अगर मिलता है तो इस कंडीशन के अंदर ये जो टेंस होगा ये होगा पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, एंड यू विल हैव टू अप्लाई वर्ब हैड बीन verb plus ing with all subjects. It doesn't matter the subject is singular or plural. You will have to apply had been verb plus ing with all subject. Like this. She told that she blank wait for you for 2 hours. Mother said that she change the word, they blank dig the well since morning. Now in condition of both singularity and plurality, there will be no difference in the verb. You will have to apply had been along with verb and ing. Now clear, she told that she had been waiting for you for 2 hours. And in second sentence, mother said that they had been digging the well since morning. So, write all the exercise, fill the blank properly, click the photo and send it to me on my school WhatsApp number. Now, if you have any query, you can call me personally. Okay, thank you.